Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a previous coin called Corsac. If you watched my recent video, which you guys can check out by just clicking the button just above, it'll take you over to my recent video. Basically that talks about what the coin is about, who the team are, what they're like, what are they currently doing, etc, etc. And today, because that was a sponsored video, these guys liked it so much they've decided to sponsor this video as well. They want me to talk about the new updates and features of their project, the plans that's coming out, the new update on the NFT project and how that's coming along, as well as the new borrowing and loan system that they have going on. So like if you want some extra cash quickly, then you can use their website and you can do all that stuff. So I want to show you guys all of that today. We're also going to be talking about some of the new stuff they've got. Like they've got, instead that they used to have 8% BUSD reflections, it has now been increased to 12% BUSD reflections, which is insane. I don't think I've ever seen a BUSD reflection token with more than 8% reflections. So I'm not sure if 12 is the highest. There probably is higher ones, but this one has definitely far exceeded many that I have seen, in my opinion. So I'm going to firstly show off the new update on their NFT platform. It is coming out very soon. You can read the tweet. It says, "Shh, don't miss out." So you know, I'll zoom in for you guys. We'll have a little look at the little video they've got going on. It shows some more stuff of the item creators. It shares the share items, so you guys can easily share the NFTs. It has a description, the buy price, you know, when it was listed. It looks like they've got categories going on, so maybe they'll have like gaming categories. It said art just then, maybe metaverse type stuff, all of that good stuff. And I think that's really neat. It is looking very nice. There's a few projects that are bringing out marketplaces on the Binance Smart Chain. So you got like Corsac, Evolution. I do like both of their marketplaces, but today we are talking about Corsac, and it is looking very good. Progress seems to be moving along very quickly. The team are very dedicated right now, and they're bringing this project out as quick as they can and as well as it can be. So it is looking good. So you know, guys, if you want to just pause the video and check out the site yourself, you can do. Or just head over to their Twitter, which is at Corsac_official. I'll have all the stuff links down below, so you guys can easily just click it and know it's them for sure. But yeah, guys, their NFT project is looking very good. It looks like it's probably coming out very soon. I haven't got a date for you guys, unfortunately. Maybe the team can let me know after watching this, and maybe I can give you guys an ETA on that, or maybe I'll tweet something out and then you guys can check that tweet out. But yeah, guys, it's looking very good. It is looking good. And then, like I said here, what have they done since the last one? They have redesigned their website. It's only 28 days old. Well, it's 30 days now, so it's about a month. So it's about a month old. They've redesigned the website. They've introduced the Corsac swap, which you guys can use to swap your tokens from BNB to Corsac if you wanted to. They've got the Corsac Finance. If you can hear my phone, I do apologize. It's going off right now. I should probably mute that. But yeah, they've got the swap. They've got Corsac Finance, which I'm going to show you guys a little bit in just a minute. And then they've also got BUSD Reflections, which is 12% back, which is really good. You know, when the volume goes crazy, guys, you'll be making some crazy gains just on reflections. You could probably get your money back if you put $1,000 in and the volume is high, and because it's still early, guys, like the price hasn't really moved, it's just been going sideways, which I really like to see because it's a floor price. The price has stayed steady, no one's selling, no one's really buying at the minute, things are quiet. But as soon as the NFT project comes out, this new finance thing is giving people more funds, so maybe those people will buy more Corsac with them funds, which is cool. The price will slowly go up. Well, hopefully it'll go up crazy, but we don't want that. We want slow, organic growth. We don't want to need dumps. We don't want to need massive pumps, even though pumps are nice. Make sure you take profit in pumps all the time. But yeah, guys, it's just looking great. So yeah, let's have a look at the finance thing. So I'm not gonna log in, but when you log in, it does show you some stuff. I'm just gonna find a tweet for you guys dead quickly. Right here. So if I click on it now, you can see what it's all about. So yeah, you can lend to give out your funds, and you'd get a certain percentage back. So basically bringing you some passive income, and then those people give you the money back. You got your borrow amount if you want to take some money, the duration of how long you want to pay it back in, so maybe 0.2% daily interest, which it says there, the collateral amount, etc, etc. You guys can take a little look at this screenshot here. So yeah, it's definitely unique and new. Don't know how many people will use it. Probably some if they want some extra funds. You know, it's a good idea for those who want to try and get some quick cash and pay it back over time. So yeah, it is unique, it's different. I like the idea. Hopefully you can keep building upon it, improving it, maybe encourage more utility for the Corsac token maybe to use it. Like you need to have a certain amount to actually use the borrow system, which would be probably, I'd quite like that actually. I think it's quite a good idea to bring some more interest into the coin as well. But yeah, it's unique, it's different. I've not really seen this before in one of these type of projects, so yeah, I just hope they can keep improving it, updating it, encourage people to use it and all that good stuff. But yeah, it's unique, I like it, and hopefully it does the best for the project. So this is the landing page here. To go on this, you'll have to log in, which I'm not going to do, but you know, you can lend, you can borrow, and if you do lend out money, you will get interest back. So you know, you obviously gain a bit of passive income, some extra income. So yeah. Let's have a look at the chart, guys. So like I said, it has been very dormant. It's not really moved. It's kind of just chilling. It's vibing. I did buy. I'll show you where I bought, guys, just so you guys can get full, you know, knowledge and whatnot. I bought around here. So I'm a bit in the loss right now, but I'm holding my bag. It's only very small. So yeah, you know, guys, full disclaimer. Like I said, this is a sponsored video. I do have a very small bag. It's not big at all. Like I couldn't just dump the price. I couldn't. I don't have the funds for that. And obviously, guys, please do your own research after this video if you are keen and interested on the Corsac project. It is looking nice. It is very small right now, and the team are active, and you can ask them questions as much as you want in their Telegram. So if you do want to do all that, links are down below, guys. Please check them out. You know, respect them. Say hello. Say you came from Crypto Mayhem, and spread the word of the video, guys, because I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. But yeah, you know, we had massive pump for launch. Massive, absolutely insane. I don't know what the market cap was. Maybe 10 million, but I'm not sure, guys. Don't quote me on that. I have no idea. But you know, honestly, it went crazy, and obviously it dumped very quickly. But now it's kind of gone dormant. If you're like buying in here all the way through here, and it does pump again, you're going to be sitting on very nice profit. You can turn a profit very quickly with these type of coins because it's very early. You know, when you start getting into the range of the billions, it takes a lot more money to like double and triple your money. But with this, like, you can literally 10x your money very quickly. Especially with the project actually bringing out stuff and utility projects, the finance, the NFT stuff, you know, stuff like that. It will bring people into the coin. So yeah, do I think it's a good buying opportunity? I do. You know, it's still early. It's like below the buying price I bought. I didn't think it'd go any lower, but as you can see, it has kind of touched resistance here. If you zoom in a little bit here, you can see it went down here, and you've got this bit of resistance, gone up again, and now it's testing the resistance one more time. It looks like it is. So how many times can it test this? They say about 1 or 2, and if it goes past 1 or 2, if it's touching resistance, hopefully it will go back up. If you're below the resistance point and it bounces 1, 2, 3, you want to be very careful, because the likelihood of that resistance staying will break, and it usually will go down. Not always the case. It can go 4, 5, 6, then bounce, but the case is usually it'll go down. So, you know, always do your research, learn some TA, and you guys will hopefully make some profit with the knowledge you will learn here. So yeah, I am new myself. I am learning. So guys, don't take my advice at all. Learn with me. You know, hopefully we can teach you some stuff. I will have a Patreon eventually. I want to build this channel up, you know, get you guys to know me a bit. I will probably make an update video introducing myself, and I'll do more live streams and you guys can talk. But anyway, back to the charts and rambling. Yeah, so you can see we've literally bounced here, but now we literally bounced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And will we go down? Possibly, but I do think, because we're holding it very strong here, I do think there's going to be a time where we just bounce right off it and go crazy. So we might go like maybe here. This might be it. This might be the time. It might go up here, or it might go like another 1 bounce, or another 1 more bounce and bounce up again. I don't know how many times, but it can't bounce for too much longer, because it will go down. It will break resistance. Obviously, depending on how the holders like to hold. If they want to keep holding, they can. This is a passive income token. You know, you do get paid back in reflections, so maybe they're happy to hold. You know, I might just be talking out of my arse right now, and this might just be ignored. But you always have to take into account, guys, with crypto. So, you know, that's Corsac. Quick update. You know, they've brought out the new video of the NFT project. They've got the finance thing if you want to use to get some extra cash. Obviously, you have to pay that back with a bit of interest. but it's not too much depending on how much you take out. Looking bullish, chart's looking very nice. You know, they've definitely found the new floor. This does look like the bottom in my opinion. I do think we're going to be going up very soon. I could be totally wrong, guys, you know, you'd never know, but the crypto market is looking very bullish. Bitcoin went up today to about $58,000. Now it's back down to $57,000 unless it's changed by now, but it's looking bullish, guys. We just need to break $61,000 again by the end of the month, when we've only got today and tomorrow. If we break that, guys, crypto market's looking absolutely beautiful. I do think we're going to be hitting all-time highs throughout the market very soon with altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, just everything. I even think NFTs are going to be blowing up again soon, guys. If you're into NFTs, I definitely will be making some more videos on NFTs eventually. I just need to get more time. Hopefully I can turn this into a full-time project. But anyway, that could be for another video, a video all about me, so you guys can get to know me. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this quick update about Corsac and a bit of information about myself, leave a thumbs up button, go to the Corsac Telegram, or maybe give them a tweet. Just say, hey, Crypto Mayhem's talking about you guys. Maybe show me the love, show them the love, and subscribe to the channel, guys. We're going to be bringing you out more content. I'm going to try work even harder on this. I'm very bullish. You know, you can go to my Twitter, give me a follow. I'm nearly at 900 followers, so maybe you 6 who are watching right now will click on that and bring me up to 900. Maybe even get me to 1,000 followers, guys. It would make my day if we can reach 1,000 followers today. Do you think I will get it? Probably not, but probably the next week I probably will have 1,000 followers. So yeah, guys, hit the follow button on my Twitter, hit the subscribe button here, and hit the like button of the video. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are literally showing me the love like crazy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.